Aloha, I'm Kiana Cayabyab, and you're watching Star News Live. Here are today's top Hawaii headlines from the editors at the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. The state today opened an emergency access lane on Kauai's Kuhio Highway for emergency responders. Flash flooding and heavy rain last week resulted in a massive landslide on a section of Kuhio Highway that cut off access to and from Kauai's North Shore. Hawaii Department of Transportation officials say crews worked through the weekend to clear debris from the highway at Honolulu Hill. Officials say crews on Monday installed concrete barriers and a rock fence to the affected area to prevent debris and runoff from falling onto the roadway. Officials say the road itself is in good condition. The emergency access period is expected to last about 2 days. Officials say they are working on a plan to open the access lane to the public. Work to stabilize the slope is anticipated to take 3 to 4 months to complete. A preliminary cost estimate for the project is $10 million. Hawaii health officials recently opened up vaccine eligibility to those in the Phase 1C category. The category includes those working in banking and finance, transportation, energy, construction, media, legal, IT, and public safety. But officials over the weekend decided to prioritize hotel, restaurant, and bar workers for vaccines, along with individuals with specific high-risk medical conditions and residents 65 years and older. State health officials say they want to manage the population and avoid overwhelming vaccination centers. The state is currently administering 10,000 vaccines a day, or more than 60,000 shots a week. Within 2 to 3 weeks, state officials anticipate opening vaccinations to age 60 to 64 years old. So far, the state has administered more than 483,000 vaccines. Hawaii health officials today reported 48 new coronavirus cases. No additional coronavirus-related deaths were reported today, and so far 451 people have died statewide. The state's total number of cases since the start of the pandemic now stands at 28,352. Oahu saw 30 new infections, 7 on Maui, 8 on the Big Island, 1 on Kauai, and 2 Hawaii residents diagnosed outside the state. Hawaii officials say 709 COVID cases are considered to be active. Hawaii only saw 2 new hospitalizations today. Honolulu police say 2 men were injured early Monday in a head-on collision on the H1 freeway in Makali. The collision happened near the Makali Street overpass just before 12:30 a.m. Monday. Police say a 43-year-old Wahiawa man was traveling in the wrong direction in the eastbound lanes of the freeway and collided with another car driven by a 23-year-old man from Honolulu. Both men were taken to a hospital in critical condition. Their health later improved to serious condition, but police say speed or alcohol were not involved. Police are still investigating. Finally, pick up a copy of Wednesday's Honolulu Star-Advertiser and check out the weekly Crave food section. The Star-Advertiser's Crave staff explores limited edition craft beers that take inspiration from bakery favorites, candies, and snacks. Look inside the New York Times kitchen for a recipe that turns granola into dessert. And food reviewer Nadine Kam visits a ramen shop that has found a new home outside food halls. She reports there are 16 choices of ramen on the menu at the new location in Kapahulu. For more on these stories and all the latest headlines, subscribe to the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Visit Hawaii's top source for breaking news online at staradvertiser.com and download the Star-Advertiser mobile app. Mahalo, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.